On this rainy evening in the village, Mira feels the gentle patter of rain soothing her soul. It is the perfect time for warm chai and crispy pakoras.
As rain whispers outside, Mira begins her evening ritual in the warm kitchen. Fresh ingredients await to create something special and comforting. The clay stove comes alive with a soft crackle, warming the rainy evening air. Mira prepares for the heart of village comfort, hot chai brewing slowly. Ginger and tea leaves mingle in the pot, releasing aromatic steam. This traditional chai recipe brings warmth to the cool, rainy village night. Milk swirls into the spiced tea, creating a creamy elixir perfect for rain. Cardamom adds that authentic village flavor we all cherish. Thin onion slices fall gently, ready for the batter. Rain outside enhances the cozy anticipation of crispy pakoras frying soon. Chickpea flour blends with spices and veggies, forming the perfect batter. This simple mix holds the essence of rainy day village snacks. Oil heats gently in the kadai, ready for the batter. The sizzle will soon fill the air with irresistible aromas on this rainy evening. Batter hits the oil with a satisfying sizzle, transforming into crispy pakoras. Rain outside makes this village treat even more inviting and warm. Golden pakoras crisp up beautifully, flipped with care. This timeless method brings the flavors of tradition to life in the rain. Pakoras rest on the mat, draining to perfection with a light salt touch. The rain's rhythm accompanies this moment of culinary satisfaction. Hot chai flows through the cloth, filling cups with spiced warmth. This village staple pairs perfectly with pakoras on a drizzly night. Pakoras and chai come together on the tray, steaming invitingly. Mira heads to the veranda, embracing the rainy evening's gentle peace.
The veranda welcomes Mira with misty rain, a perfect spot for her treats. Village life slows down, inviting quiet reflection and warmth.
First sip of chai warms Mira from within, chasing away the rain's chill. In this village haven, simple pleasures bring deep contentment.
Crispy pakora crunches satisfyingly, bursting with onion and spice flavors. Paired with chai, it's the ultimate rainy evening indulgence. Breeze and rain create a symphony, as chai's warmth soothes the soul. Mira cherishes these timeless village moments of pure tranquility. Thunder echoes softly, adding to the evening's charm. Mira's chai and pakoras make the rain feel like a welcomed friend. A dip in tangy chutney elevates the pakora's crunch. These small touches make village rainy evenings truly memorable and flavorful. Chai finished, Mira savors the lingering warmth and peace. Rainy evenings like this remind us of simple joys in village life. Neighbor Gopal arrives, drawn by the aromas. Sharing food strengthens village bonds on these cozy, rainy evenings together. Gopal settles in, sipping the hot chai Mira offers. Conversations flow easily, weaving the fabric of village community.
Thank you, Mary Gopal.
The chai's lad.
Pakoras crunch between stories shared on the veranda. Rain enhances the flavor of friendship and traditional village hospitality. Laughter echoes with rain, as old stories unfold over chai. These moments preserve the heart of village life and its warm connections. Rain returns, but so does the sharing of pakoras and joy. Companionship turns ordinary evenings into cherished village memories.
Recipes passed down like rain to earth, enriching each generation. Mira's story adds flavor to their shared evening ritual.
The spices in this chai dance on my tongue. Exquisite. I'm so glad you like it.
It is the perfect end to the day. It truly is.
Rain ends, but the warmth of sharing lingers. Gopal departs, leaving Mira with memories of connection and comfort. Tray cleared under emerging stars, Mira feels fulfilled. Rainy evenings end, but their cozy magic stays in the heart.
Washing away the evening, Mira cleans with quiet satisfaction. Each rinse echoes the rain's gentle, cleansing touch.
Lantern's glow chases the night's chill, mirroring the chai's earlier warmth. Village nights hold their own quiet beauty. Stars emerge after rain, filling Mira with wonder. Such evenings reaffirm the simple, profound joys of village traditions. Earlier, in the village market, Mira chose the freshest ingredients. Rain even then promised a cozy evening ahead. Memories of the market blend with the night's peace. Mira's home holds the echoes of a perfectly spent rainy evening. Across the village, lanterns glow like shared stories. Rainy evenings unite everyone in traditions of warmth and food. Lantern fades, but memories of chai and pakoras endure. Mira rests, grateful for the rain's gift of cozy tradition.
Kitchen tidied, the day's flavors settle in memory. Such routines ground the spirit in village life's gentle flow. Dreams of sizzling pakoras and aromatic chai dance in mind. They capture the essence of rainy village evenings forever.
As sleep comes, Mira dreams of more such evenings. Rain or shine, these traditions nourish the soul eternally.
The village rests, lanterns fading like the rain. Traditions like chai and pakoras bind us through every season. A single crumb lingers, whispering of shared joys. Even small traces carry the flavor of village rainy nights. Flame dies, but the evening's warmth lives on inside. Restful nights follow days of tradition and simple delights. From rain to ready, the evening unfolds in memory. Each step a thread in the tapestry of village food culture. A drop falls, promising more evenings like this. Cycles of rain and ritual keep village life eternally vibrant. Night sounds of village life continue softly. Animals rest, echoing the calm after a fulfilling rainy day. Home blends into the village's quiet night. Evenings of chai and pakoras weave into the fabric of enduring heritage. A shooting star graces the sky, like evenings that sparkle briefly. May more such moments fill village lives with joy. As night deepens, the story of pakoras and chai lingers. In every rain, find the comfort of village traditions.